Turtleback Zoo is home to about 1,400 animals. Obviously, lots of educational features. There's some fun features, places to eat as well. But, yeah, it is a big operation that was shut down due to the pandemic. I spoke with Kate Hartwick, who is the Deputy Director of Parks for Essex County, and I asked her, what was the biggest challenge during the shutdown?
The hardest part with anything is keeping our animals healthy, and without the public here, which is a form of enrichment for them, our keepers had to do all that work. A lot of the animals here at Turtleback Zoo are social animals, and they look forward to having guests on grounds.
Banana, can I ask you a question? Are you happy to have people back? Absolutely, she's thrilled.
I'm thrilled, and my staff is thrilled, and I even believe the animals are thrilled because they like putting on a good show for our customers.
Are you happy to have the zoo back open? You do? You really? You want a pay raise? Gibbons, by the way, change color, and the female gibbons will turn back to that beige color. Now, some important reminders. Got to get your tickets online. Everybody gets their temperature taken and a hand stamp on the way in. Social distancing reminders all around the zoo. Face coverings must be worn. Boy, I was here Thursday. Everybody was complying. That's good to see. And capacity is limited to 50%, and they stagger the entrance times. But I tell you, they're keeping it clean, sanitizing the train. We're going to talk about that train station a little bit later in the show. We're also going to tell you why we're hanging out and waiting for the giraffes. You'll like that part of our zoo adventure as well, Cindy. We've got that and more weather coming up from Turtleback Zoo in just a bit.